there like, I hope this ends quick.
I stayed dry.
That was the worst walk of my life.
It was bad.
Dude, my hood wouldn't stay on. That's why I like these new jerk jackets, because they got that drawstring.
Yep.
I had to get out in the middle of a tsunami to take a dump behind the truck. I'm sitting there trying to wipe with a napkin, and it's already disintegrated from my hand even breaks my ass. Crowd was worried about stepping in it. That thing had already floated 3 miles down the road.
Those roads were so wet too.
And I remember we turned our head and we were like, dude, we got geese on the water right now, right now. No, it was the decoys that already moved 4 miles because that tornado had blown them all around.
Dude, who fogged it? That needed
I got a little excited. The geese got me going.
I don't know that we're going to turn on that road.
It's fine. They look at it. It's got gravel on it. These are the roads that are fine. It's
This one. This is our road.
That's our road.
I'd park right here for the day, yeah.
Yeah. How you want? What's going to be the easiest? Straddle.
Y'all got to keep the truck, right? Yeah.
He's gonna fall off.
We made it down here to Missouri. Ben and Crowder just got on the four-wheeler. They're running down to the pit we're going to be hunting tomorrow just to kind of check on everything, make sure there's not, a ton of water down in there. Because if there is a bunch of water, we'll have to either pump it out. If there's just a little bit in the bottom, we can make do with that, but just don't want too much water in that pit. We got a lot to do to prepare for tomorrow.
Give us the rundown.
Yeah, so
You want to see something bad?
it's about 3.5 foot deep. So if it was 1.5 foot this morning, it's probably got a pretty steady crew going in there.
Probably camera picture.
Yeah, there's no hunting that, dude.
And that picture doesn't do it justice. When you step down to the bottom,
So
it went up to my waiter belt.
So the
Like the whole bottom down there.
the fuel tanks to cook breakfast and everything are floating.
Yeah, here you go. I don't think I showed you when we were there.
We're gonna
Just
try to
run down for the camera.
So he's gonna meet us out here. Generator, gas pump. He's gonna run it as hard as he can. We're gonna try to bandage up and see if it'll make it the rest of the season. What the man said.
That's the game plan.
It's the only option. Hunt ducks.
Hot dogs.
You heard it here.
Ton of geese, ton of ducks out there flying around.
Just had a bunch of them.
Bunch of geese. Somebody must have kicked them off of the
Hey.
feed. We do need to document is that we got back. It's bad. I think we can take the truck down there a little ways. We got back in 11 minutes, and it took us 20 minutes to get out.
Y'all drove slow.
I had to get off.
Twice, but we found the best
It's
route.
muddy,
The
dude.
water. I was covered till I took a dip in the water to still come here.
Hey,
It's a dike. Nobody drives.
We don't
that
tear it
way.
up with the four-wheeler, but there's no tracks on it. But
It's
it's just clean
perfect.
grass the whole way.
Oh,
That's how we
it's
just cut our time in half.
Yeah.
This
okay.
was all from the way out.
We
didn't hit any mud on the way back.
If we take the way that we just took in, we just cut off, because if not, we're gonna have to get out here 3 hours for shooting light.
Yeah.
Just guns, all the ammo you can carry, no bags, no gear, just hunting ducks. The old school.
Oh.
Yeah. Oh yeah, that's
You already know I ain't going to sleep.
The pit we were going to hunt tomorrow, as you've already seen, it was almost completely full, so no good on that pit. We actually pumped out all the water, and at the base of it there was a pretty good trickle, so I think that pit is pretty much shot. You know, we got a little adversity, but that's okay. We're going to pivot and just try to make something happen tomorrow. We're going to a pit blind that we've been to before and had some good success. We will see y'all tomorrow morning.
Look at his colors. Beautiful. I see that. He worked right too. He wanted to be talked all the way down.
Ben, what's on the menu today?
We got a little sausage, egg, and cheese burrito.
Heck yeah.
Sounds good. You got some juices. You got a couple of high duck.
Couple of sprigs.
Look at that. Can't beat it. Ben, you the man. Well, it's 1:30 and everything's kind of slowed down a little bit. Ben's got us some quesadillas going. Sun's came out. Crowder, how many we got right now? Probably
I think
8 or 9, and then a goose, something like that. We're gonna stay after it. That got him.
Good shot, Jordan.
We just had our pintail.
I don't know what just happened to that camera.
Blew my eardrum out. I can't believe they broke. Could not believe that those two did that after the big group flew off.
I was kind of glad because I stood up.
girl, Amy. Good girl.
Dude, right there.
Do what? You get that one on video?
Hey, we got some gummy worms.
I'm okay, thank you.
Specs don't want to work at all.
Yeah.
Specs don't want to work at all.
Specs will look at 150 yards, and that's about it.
All the way around, just rough.
See if the afternoon can change the winds.
I concur. Ben's quesadillas have been about the best thing for today.
With Colby Jack cheese.
Matter of fact, it might be time to cut one of them specs and a little taste.
Get a little ribeye in the sky.
Hey, this BB's open. Here, you want the full?
Day 3, last hunt. Yesterday was pretty slow. We moved the decoys around. We're not going to use the mojo today. We'll see what happens. But we got to go home.
I know what floats is what I'm imagining.
Midday.
I think I've made the
623.
This might be our time.
Forward him, Cam. Me and you both waited on that joker to come back.
Well, now that marathon's over, I'm going to sit down for a little bit.
Dude,
Is that camera rolling?
Yeah.